Home Shop. I'm Scott.
I'm Tara.
And today we are refinishing, ouch, my father's wood vise. We've already gotten part of it painted here, or primed. We'll turn you around. Can you see it? They can see this? Well, point the camera right at it. There we go. So,
we can still see you in it.
Oh, that's off to the side. So this is the base. This part right here, slides back, slides through the base. For those of you that don't know how a wood vise works, you get a 3/8?
Okay.
It's
7/16?
Yep, 7/16.
Okay, I will get another one.
Alright. This right here, I bead blasted that one, or media blasted that piece, the base, and the media blaster, and I thought about doing this, and I may still do it, but it's just so cumbersome. It's just so cumbersome to get it in there. My box is only about 2 foot square. Here, I'll lean over. My daughter has to level the camera. There you go. All right, I'll center it. Yeah. So anyway, but the bars make it too wide to get in there. Well, I mean, I can get it in there, but it's just cumbersome to try to turn it around and flip it over and this, that, and the other. And I don't know how these bars go in, if they're swedged in, if this is heated up and they're pushed in. So I don't want to mess with it. I'm going to take the handle off. That's the way I can sandblast it or blast it. Can you get it? Well, first off, you don't put wrenches opposing each other if you can help it. Because what happens when you push down on one and lift on the other, the thing it'll just simply turn on you. So what you want to do is you want to put this one over here to hold it.
Is it 7/8?
That's not 7/8, 7/16. Alright, so then you want to hold this and push and pull. Alright, go ahead. Alright, your grandfather has pinged the nut over so it won't come off. So we can either get that to come off. Where's your little brass hammer?
Let me look at Tara.
Yeah, excuse me just for a minute. I gotta get a little air moving.
Here's Tara.
The nut's got a little burr on the side of it. It's the right wrench. Hey Steven, we're using Tara.
Tara!
I don't want to spray it with oil because I don't want to try to clean it all back off so I can paint it, if I can help it. It'll be oiled where it needs to be oiled. And that paint will rub off right there. I need a roll pin punch. Put them up. Not a roll pin punch. Only those are roll pin punches.
Which one do you need?
I'm assuming that one.
Okay, keep two.
Well, let's see if this bolt will come off. Yeah, it still comes off. Nut. I really don't want to booger this up. Well, if we get right in the... don't know if y'all can see that offset in the bowl.
I can see it.
But whoever tightened it up,
Evidently tightened it up perfectly.
good gravy, we're going to have to get a new bowl.
And how do we get this out?
I don't know. I don't know.
Is there a way we can make it come up? Get it a something? Because there's a flat spot.
I didn't want to get oil on it, but don't look like that's gonna.
Not happen.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh. Yay! Got it. Here, do that. That's awesome.
Alright, you need to go get on some gloves, safety glasses, a mask, and a face shield, and I'm going to put you on this, working on that.
Okay.
Oh, you can't. I ain't got but one air hose.
Yeah, so I can't do anything actually.
Well, yeah, you can. You can get sandpaper.
Okay.
First off, what we need to do is we need to,
Where is my mask? I had it right here.
where'd what go?
My mask?
If you look where you'd walk, won't you go ahead and start putting your tools back up? Whoa, see there? Had glasses on. So it just went in my face. I could have been killed. Where's your face shield?
I'm already getting it.
I may put this in the blaster. I may go ahead and put this in there.
Okay. But I still got sandpaper in though, remember?
Huh?
I still got sandpaper in it. We have some motel, Daddy. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to see if this will come out. Nope, leave it alone.
Okay, so no sanding or sanding?
Oh, can sand it.
Oh, okay.
I can turn the fan off and on. Yay! That's the shield down? Yep. Now don't go sideways. Alright, let's see if we can get it. Now I'm gonna blast all kind of crud in here. Stop for a minute. Watch your face. Alright, so what? Okay, keep working on that. Come around here. Keep working on this. I'm gonna go before. Alright. So.
I'll do that while you do that. Okay.
Right. Alright. We'll be back. Should have stood there for a second. I'm trying to not have so much. Alright, you ready for me to put that in the blaster and see if I can clean it up for you? Okay, look here, let me show you something. Look, you're putting it around it, but you're touching it up here. That's not what putting it around is for. Putting it around it is to catch more of the surface. So you want to kind of hold it down like that.
Gloves.
Yep. Alright, so.
Put it in the TV blaster.
Cat fell. Alright, we're gonna go put it in the media blaster and I'm gonna try to get it in there.
What should I do?
You can. Let me see something here.
So what?
We're going to attempt to show you the media blasting. So stand by. Now we'll just put your face shield down. I don't even know what kind of vise this is. Hold on a minute. There we go. Let's see. The Abernathy Vise Tool Company, Chicago, Illinois, number 70D. All right.
I already know it.
Now for my little trick of the day. It's getting lunchtime around this house. Take my glove off. And I can reuse it. There you go. Except for the one that's got a torn finger in it. This one won't come off. It's easy. Bye bye, gloves. Alright, we're out of paint. What are you doing?
Remediers.
Y'all see what I have to put up with? What I have to go through?
Hey!
Yeah, hey.
You don't have room to talk.
I have lots of room to talk.
No, I have to do.
Hey, I've lost weight. I have more room to talk. Alright, so I'm just using that red as a primer. I want it back black, but I don't have any black. All I have is red. And I'm out of
self-etching primer.
I'm out of my self-etching primer, or else it would have gotten self-etching primer on it.
Yes.
And I done sandblasted it, and it was starting to flash rust, so I had to put something on it. It's going in the house. It's a wood vise. It's going in the house. All right. So the Abernathy Vise and Tool Company. It's the Abernathy Vise and Tool Company, model 70D. All right. And we'll bring you back. We'll finish painting it.
We'll finish painting it, and we'll bring you back when we're
installing it. Yeah, it's because you've seen people paint. All right, so we're going to make.
You love me.
I'm beginning to wonder. Give me that yellow cap over there. Go around that way. Go around the long way.
Why?
Go. That's trash. Here. Here, put that in the trash can. Alright. Like I said, we'll bring you back.
When we're ready to start.
That's all done. Stop it.